I'm Greg Burgess, product manager for engine blocks, engine accessories, nitrous and rotating assemblies. So this year at SEMA, what we're going to launch is this concept of modular components for valve covers. So we have this new Cams sandcast in our Edelbrock Foundry with 16 ORB ports on 2 valve covers. So we have the different offerings for the modular components is we have 3/8 barb with a PCV valve built inside, a 6AN with a PCV valve built inside. We have a 90-degree swivel with a PCV valve, and then we also are offering a -10AN, 12, and a 16AN for that as well. So this is the Cams sandcast, and then we also have a Cams Fabricated for a small block Chevrolet. One thing that's kind of neat about this as well, it was inspired by circle track racing. So we have 2 different valve covers. This one that has 2 16 ORBs, and the other valve cover with 1 ORB. So you can run 2 breathers on one side and then a plug on the other, or you can just run it however you'd like. So these just spin on and off, and we also have this nice Edelbrock branded breather as well. Moving on to the Victor series. So we're launching a new line from Edelbrock, the Victor series, so made in our foundry as well. We're going to offer these in several different finish options. So we're going to do natural, black plasma, chrome plasma, and black powder coat. So we're going to launch with the Big-Block Chevrolet first, and then we're working on revisions or new products for other engine families as well. And this is going to use the same 16 ORB ports or modular components as an upsell option too. So configure how you'd like. And then we also have this Edelbrock die-cast Gen 3 Hemi valve cover as well. Comes in a really nice black finish with a machined Edelbrock script, make it stand out and pop. So utilizes OE gaskets, which is really good for that. Then we'll move on to the fast section. So we also have a fast billet Gen 3 Hemi valve cover. So just that next step up with the dual 16 ORB ports. So any of the modular components that work for any of those other products will also work for this as well. And then we'll move on to the fast dual stage, double stack, however you want to call it, nitrous plate, which is really neat. So we've taken our Zex perimeter plate and we've condensed 2 plates into 1 plate, which is really neat. So now we have 24 injection points, which is really nice. And then we have larger orifice sizes, so we're not going to go into free float or anything like that. So really excited for this product, and worked really a lot with engineering group and our sales team and our racers to develop this project right here.